Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we are looking at your brand new 2018 Toyota Corolla LE with the upgrade package. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger front-wheel drive sedan in a stunning slate metallic. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.8-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 16-inch wheels. You also have your LED running lights that are fully automatic, your power adjustable side mirrors, and your pre-collision alert sensor right in front of your front grille there. But why don't we head on inside and take a look at your interior features. Helping you into your Corolla is your handy key fob. You have the lock, the unlock, as well as your trunk release and your panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once, and to unlock all 4 doors, press twice. Opening up that door now, really great sporty interior right off the bat. We have your power windows and your power locks on the side here with that cool black trim. You also have your power adjustable side mirrors and a really cool feature being your heated steering wheel plus your heated side mirrors, perfect for those cold Alberta winter months. You also have a full set of all-weather floor mats that fit right into your Corolla, and these cool soft sport seats with that quilting detail just to add all of that extra style. Letting in all that light is your power tilt and slide sunroof, which will definitely be nice to open up during those summer months. But why don't we hop on in and start it up. Starting up your Corolla is nice and easy. Simply foot on the brake and put your key into the ignition. The engine will start up for you, and that ambient lighting and welcome screen will open up on the dashboard. Really, really sporty. Tying everything together, of course, is your leather-wrapped steering wheel, which is also heated. You have your steering wheel mounted controls like your volume control and mode changers, your hands-free calling, as well as your voice command, and the features as part of your Toyota Safety Sense, like your lane departure warning and your dynamic radar cruise control. Your cruise control can be operated from below there. Taking a look at your stunning LCD screen, you have your CD player on top, as well as your backup camera does show up on your screen as well for visibility. And you do have with your audio your AM/FM radio and your auxiliary USB imports, and with your hands-free calling you have your Bluetooth audio, so you can bring your music wherever you go. Below here we have this really modern climate control. We have these beautiful chrome tabs to adjust temperature, fan, and position. You have your air conditioning, which is very, very handy in those hot summer months, and your automatic climate control to keep your car working for you. During those Alberta winters, you'll be prepared with your heated seats for both your driver and your passenger. You also have your 12-volt DC charger and USB auxiliary import below with some storage. Matching your sporty style is your leather trim on both your steering shift knob and your parking brake. You also do have your traction control, that chrome detailing on your cup holders with some removable pieces to make it easy to keep clean. You have this top shelf for smaller items and plenty of storage space, as well as a removable mat to make sure it's nice and easy for you to maintain. Really cool fan detailing, as well as that leather on top of your dashboard. Below you have your glove box with all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your Corolla. And we'll take one more look at all the sporty fun things happening inside your vehicle, but why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Corolla. Opening it up, simply hold that button on your fob to release the trunk. Plenty of space to store everything that you need, as well as your 40/60 split folding seats in the back that can offer some convertible storage. Underneath your hardcover, you have your spare tire, as well as your jack and all the tools you'll need in case anything does happen on the side of the road. And you have your handy cargo lamp for visibility. Your emergency release is available underneath there, as well as your backup camera to help you in and out of those tight spots. We see that LE badging on the back as we take one more look at the back of your Corolla. Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Corolla LE with the upgrade package. With your sporty leather trims and that power moonroof, plus that 6.1-inch LCD screen, it definitely is fully loaded with style. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in and take it for a test drive. See if it fits into your lifestyle. We are at the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Thank you again for watching this walk around video, and until I see you next time, drive safe.